Hello everybody, hopefully you're doing well and staying safe. We will start with our new lesson, prepare for natural hazards. So before we start up, let us watch out this video. After watching the video, now you can observe this natural hazard. What kind of natural hazard did you see in the video? You can write down your notes, recalling your old and previous information about natural hazards. Now we will start up our lesson of how these natural hazards, how can we prepare ourselves. You know that scientists, they can solve the problems and help people, but how do they do this? They do this by observing and studying natural hazards. Let us say a scientist is studying about hurricanes, how to let people know about these hurricanes. For example, you can build up strong buildings that could be, kept people inside, safe during those high winds when they're flowing. And there are many other ways also to study the natural hazards. For example, in wildfire, the wildfire lab, scientists study how fire grow and move. They all design new tools and other things to make it easier. So as we said, in wildfire lab, scientists, they study how fire grows and moves, and they study the different ways how to protect wildlife from these wildfires. On the other hand, earthquakes, for example, when scientists study about earthquakes, they find out where to build the strongest buildings or bridges. They can also make stronger and more flexible materials. So as we have studied that floods and hurricanes are also important natural hazards to study. How can a strong high wall keep water from reaching a community? There are two kinds of walls. One is a flood wall that is in front of you now. Flood walls are walls that are built to reduce or prevent flooding in an area. The other thing is a levee, that is a wall which is built along the side of rivers and other bodies of water to prevent them from overflowing. So scientists, they work and study natural hazards combined with the work of the materials that they do in the lab in order to make it sure that people are safe during these natural hazards.